Hi, I'm Perry, and tonight is different. I need you to feel that before I say another word. Tonight is not an ordinary night. Something has been building all week. You have been thinking about something. Maybe you have not told anyone. Maybe you have barely admitted it to yourself. But for the past 7 days, maybe longer, there has been something sitting in the back of your mind. I hope a prayer, a situation you have been waiting to hear about, a call that has not come yet, a door that has not opened yet, a yes that has not arrived yet. And tonight, your guardian angel came to me with the most beautiful news. They said, Tell them, tell them tonight is the night. Tell them the thing they have been thinking about for the past week. The thing they have been carrying quietly is about to be resolved tonight. The good news they have been waiting for is already on its way. It is going to reach them before this night is over. I stopped everything to make this video because your angel said you needed to hear this before tonight. Stay with me. Let me tell you what your guardian angel showed me about this past week for you. It was not easy. You have been carrying something quietly, trying not to get your hopes up, trying not to think about it too much, but failing because it is all you have been thinking about. Every morning you woke up wondering, is today the day? Will I hear something today? And every night you went to sleep a little heavier because the day passed and the news didn't come. You checked your phone more than usual. You rehearsed what you would say when the answer came. You prayed about it, some days with faith, some days just with desperation, which is also a form of prayer that God hears. And through all of it, your guardian angel was right beside you, watching, carrying the weight with you, counting the days, counting the prayers, counting every moment of quit faith, even the ones that felt more like quit desperation. And today they came to me with urgency, with joy, and said, The week is over, the wait is over. Tonight my child gets their answer. I know what you are thinking. Why tonight? Why not last week? Why not yesterday? Why did it take this long? And your guardian angel wants to answer that because the timing is not random. It is never random. Every day that passed this week without the answer was not delay. It was preparation. Preparation of the answer itself to be everything you need it to be. Not just the answer you asked for, but the right version of it, the complete version, the one that accounts for things you could not even think to pray about. Preparation of the person of situation, delivering the news, making sure they were in the right position at the right moment to reach you with exactly what you need to hear. And preparation of you because your angel has been watching how you handled this week, how you kept going even while wondering, how you showed up for your life even while waiting, how you maintained in your faith to still be watching, still be hoping, still be believing. Every tonight, even tonight, that is a preparation that matters most. And tonight you are ready, the answer is ready, the moment is ready, and heaven said now, tonight let it reach them. I want to prepare you for how this good news might arrive tonight. Because good news from heaven does not always arrive the way we expect it. Sometimes it comes as a phone call from a number you almost didn't answer. Sometimes it comes as a text message at an unusual hour from someone you were not expecting to hear from. Sometimes it comes as an email sitting in your inbox waiting that you almost scroll past. Sometimes it comes in a conversation, casual, unexpected, where someone says something that answers the question you have been carrying all week. And sometimes it does not come through another person at all. Sometimes the good news comes as a knowing, a peace that settles in your spirit so suddenly, so completely that you know without any external confirmation. It is done. Whatever I was waiting for, it is handled. Heaven took care of it. Pay attention tonight to the phone, to the messages, to the conversations, to the quiet moments. When something shifts inside your chest, good news is finding its way to you right now. Do not miss it because you were expecting it to look a certain way. I want to tell you what your guardian angel has been doing all week. While you were waiting, they were waiting. Not waiting with you, they were working. Every single day of the past week, while you were going through your routine, going to sleep uncertain, waking up hoping. Your angel was in motion, moving the pieces, talking to the right people, not in the earthly sense, but in the spiritual sense, softening hearts, opening minds, creating the conditions for your good news to be possible, removing obstacles you did not even know were in the way, clearing a path that was blocked in ways you could never see and could never clear on your own. Carrying your prayers, yes. Carrying your prayers before God, every single one, and advocating on your behalf. This one has been faithful, this one has kept believing, this one is ready. Release the answer tonight. And God looked at your angel and then looked at you and said, tonight your angel did not just deliver a message to me, they completed an assignment for you. And tonight you get to see the result. Your good news is on its way, but I want to make sure you are positioned to receive it fully, completely, without resistance. Stay of doubt to now. The enemy knows your good news is coming, and his last attempt to stop it is to fill your mind with doubt between now and when it arrives. Do not let him. Every time a doubtful thought comes tonight, replace it immediately with, my guardian angel said tonight, I trust my angel. I trust God. My good news is coming. Stay expectant. Do not go to sleep tonight in the same heaviness you carried all week. Go to sleep tonight is expectation. Like someone who knows a gift is being delivered and they just have to wait for the knock at the door. The knock is coming. Stay open. Keep your phone accessible tonight. Stay phone to unexpected conversation. Do not dismiss the unusual thought or the random nudge to check something, to reach out to someone. Your angel might be using exactly that to deliver your good news. Stay grateful. Yes, before the news arrives, thank God for it. Say out loud tonight. Yes, tonight before you sleep, something is going to shift. A message, a call, a peace, a knowing, a door that opens so suddenly it takes your breath away. It is coming. Your guardian angel promised, and your angel has never, not once, delivered a promise that heaven did not keep. Stand up right now, put your hand on your heart and say this with full expectation. Tonight is my night. The good news I have been waiting for all week is already moving toward me. My guardian angel worked all week to make this moment possible, and I receive it right now in advance with full faith, with full expectation, with a heart wide open. Whatever from